All right, so I am going to once again use the same equation here, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The only difference is I still need to figure out what m is. So to find slope, remember we take the change in y over the change in x, or the difference in y over the difference in x. So we'll do the change in y, which will be -2 minus -1, over the change in x, or difference in x, 11 minus 6, and that's -2 plus 1 over 5, which ends up being -1/5. Now, if you did your slope the other way and started with 0.2, 6 -1, and subtracted that way, you would still get the same thing. We'd have -1 minus -2 over 6 minus 11, so that's going to be -1 plus 2 over -5, which ends up being, again, -1/5. So either way you do it, you get the same slope. So we've got our slope is -1/5. And then we can pick either point to be our x1, y1. I'm just going to pick the first point just because it's easier. So my x1 is 11, and my y1 would be -2. And then I go ahead and substitute everything in. So y minus -2 equals slope, which is -1/5 times x minus 11. And then simplify, remember, minus and negative is really plus. So we have y plus 2 equals -1/5 times x minus 11. Watch a couple places where you could make a mistake. When you find slope, it's your difference in y over your difference in x. Sometimes people switch that and put the x on top. Just be careful that you find your slope correctly, and watch anytime you're doing subtracting a negative that you actually add.